Compared with 5mJ, the 15mJ laser has higher energy and naturally generates more heat. Since the car hood is made of stainless steel, with limited thickness and multiple paint layers on the surface, repeated cleaning can cause the accumulated heat to make the stainless steel turn yellow. However, the clean surface remains smooth, which matches the characteristics of a 15mJ laser. Because the 5mJ laser has partial single-mode properties, the clean surface appears whiter than that cleaned with a 15mJ laser.